With health insurance premiums still high, many people are looking for ways to get the most out of their coverage plans.
Every year, millions of prior authorization requests are fully or partially denied, but only around 1 in 1,000 people ever appeal those denials. Cale Chapman spoke with a local health insurance agent about how you can do it on your own for free.
A lot of premium increases, not a lot of legislative changes.
Taylor Langlois, co-owner of Trinity Assurance Group, says for many people, the health insurance landscape looks rough right now.
A lot of people have been either stuck with their premiums and having to look at alternatives if they can't afford the premiums on the ACA side. On Medicare, we've had around a 9% increase on the Part B premium for most folks. Plus, if you're on original Medicare and you're on a supplement, you're getting pretty significant rate increases across the board.
Which means many people are trying to get the most out of their plans. One way to do so is by appealing denied claims, an action Langlois says has around an 80% success rate.
It's a good season to essentially push back on any denials that you're getting, especially since you're getting rate increases across the board.
While it may seem complicated, the process is only 3 steps and costs you nothing. First, you need to file an internal appeal with your insurer. If you're denied again, you need to get that final denial in writing. Then you can file with an independent review organization.
Still, you do that through the insurance company. You don't have to go searching for these review organizations. They're assigned to work with the insurance already. So you call them if they deny it again and give them crap for it.
Langlois says sometimes the reason for denial is easier to overturn than you realize.
Sometimes it's just due to the insurance company not receiving all the information that they requested, and that's it. So just a phone call to file that appeal, you have still a very high chance of getting that appeal approved there.
If you have questions or want more information about the process, you can dial the number on your screen right now. That's 1-800-432-2484 to get in touch with the Kansas Insurance Department Consumer Helpline. Rachel?